class 7. I welcome you all to your English class. I hope you all are doing fine. Children, for today's English lesson, we are going to continue with the chapter clauses that we had started in our previous video lesson. Now we have already finished knowing about noun clauses. We will move ahead with adjective clause. A clause which performs the role of an adjective in a sentence is an adjective clause. Wasn't so difficult to understand. So an adjective we already know is a word which will be describing the noun or will be telling about the state or condition of the noun, right? We are looking for a puppy which has white dots. So yes, it's describing the puppy, right? So see, which has white dots will be our adjective clause. The group of words which has white dots is a clause since it is a subject which and a finite verb has. It acts as an adjective as it describes the noun puppy and it is called an adjective clause. Okay, so now let's move ahead how we will see what is the positioning of the adjective clause. So let us look at this example. We have Jane is the girl. Jane is the girl who is wearing a pink dress. So describing, children, right? This who is wearing a pink dress, this one, is describing the girl, that means she is wearing the pink dress. So here we know this is the adjective clause. This whole part is our adjective clause. Yes, children? Now, see here, an adjective clause performs the function of an adjective and describes a noun or a pronoun. It is introduced by a relative pronoun. We have already learnt about relative pronoun, that, who, which, what, where. Then the words who and whom are used for living beings, right? Living things. The boy who is wearing a red shirt is John. The word which is used for non-living things. The book which Sohan gave me, so book is non-living, so we are going to use the word which. The word that is used for both non-living and living thing. Okay. The pen that I lost was found by Jeet. The relative pronoun where is going to tell you about the place, refers to the place. He remembers the place. So about the place, what is it being told? What adjective is describing it? Where he met his cousins. Sometimes the introducing word may be omitted altogether, like this is the school where I studied in, right? Or, so see here word, this where or that is omitted. This is the school that I studied in. Now, in sentence A, that which introduces the adjective clause I studied in is omitted. In sentence B, that has been used to introduce the adjective clause. So, yes. Now, an adjective clause should be placed as close as possible to the noun and pronoun it describes. So, you can just give a one-two word gap, but you are not going to like, it cannot be north and south, okay? So now let us see what the exercise is asking us to do. Pick out the adjective clauses in the following sentences and indicate the nouns and pronouns they describe. So first one is already done for us. This is the boy who helped me yesterday. So it is describing the noun boy. Who helped me yesterday is describing the noun boy. So let us begin with number 2. So this is exercise D on page number 80. Yes, number 1. So we have to pick out the adjective clause first. The school bus which drops me to school came late. So which drops me to school will be our adjective clause. Which drops me to school. To school, and what is it describing? It is describing the noun school bus. Yes. Now number 2. I have not received the letter you sent me. So Here children, the letter you sent me last week. So here it will be, I have not received, the letter is okay. Which you sent me, which is omitted. So you sent me last week will be our adjective clause. It is describing what? This clause is describing the noun letter. Okay. Number 3 now. Sorry, we have numbered it wrong. We have started from 2, 3. Now we are at 4. The book that I was reading yesterday is on the table. So the book that I was reading yesterday. You see? That I was reading. I was reading. Now that I was reading yesterday. Yesterday is our adjective clause. Okay children, so mark it. And the noun which it is describing is the book. Right? So book. Number 5. Where is the girl who was waiting for the principal? Now, who was waiting for the principal will be our adjective clause. Who was waiting for the principal? Yes, so we are talking about, we are referring to the girl. So girl will be our noun that it's describing. So children, see, we have used which, we have used, here actually it was absent, so we have started with you. Here we had that, here we have who. So when it's starting with, it's connected with a relative pronoun, okay. Now number 6, I hope you have finished this, pause the video and complete it. Now, number 6, the cakes which I bought have all been eaten. So, the cakes which I bought is our clause. Which I bought, and it is describing which noun? It is describing cakes. Now, number 7. The park where we play is not well maintained. So the park where we play will be our adjective clause and noun will be park. Number 8. This is the book that my uncle gave me. That my uncle gave me. Because we need a finite verb as well. So that my uncle gave me. So this is my clause, adjective clause, and noun will be book. Yes, number 9 now. I bought all the items. Okay children, here the relative pronoun is omitted. I bought all the items that you need for the party. So you need for the party will be our adjective clause. You need for the party. Okay, so noun will be items, right? Actually here, who bought it? So I will be, the pronoun will be our word which has been described by this adjective clause. The Cartoon Network, which is a television channel, shows several entertaining programs. So we have here which is a television channel. Channel, okay, and noun which is described here is The Cartoon Network. So Cartoon Network is the channel. Okay children. So I hope you can see after this. Okay, so I think this is not visible to you. Let me write it again. Yes. So I'll be writing that again. Number 10. So here we have, which is the television channel will be our adjective clause. And the noun it is describing is the Cartoon Network. Okay children, so we are done with this exercise. Now let's move ahead. Read these sentences carefully. The book which is on the table is mine. Now children, you can definitely omit it. The book on the table is mine. You don't need to write which is. But both the sentences mean the same thing, but in sentence A, the group of word which is on the table is an adjective clause, but in B, on the table forms an adjective phrase. I met a man with a big mustache. Okay, I met a man who had a big mustache. So first one with a big mustache is our adjective phrase, and in the second one, I met a man who had a big mustache is our adjective clause. Now children, in this one we have to make the adjective phrase, we have to turn it, change it into adjective clause by adding that, which, who and so on. Let's get started. One has already been done for us, so we will be doing 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exercise E, this is on page number 81. Number 1, number 2 actually. The bus going to Sahibabad took the wrong route. The bus, which was, you can even use that, which was going to Sahibabad took the wrong route. And reached Noida. Yes, number 3. The audience sitting in the last row. The audience, it's people who was sitting in the last row. Okay children, now after that you have to write the sentence words which follow. The cycle with a red basket. The cycle which has a red basket is mine. Okay, after this children you are going to write the same thing. Number 5. The boy in a red shirt. The boy who was in a red shirt could not. Again you can just go ahead and write the next words. Okay children, we are done with this. Now we will move ahead with adverb clause. A clause that performs the role of an adverb is called an adverb clause. Now example, the man ran as if someone was chasing him. So it was the manner in which he was chased. The group of words as if someone was chasing him is a clause, since it has a subject someone and a finite verb was. It tells us more about the verb run. So how was he running? Yes, we know about the verb. What is the work of an adverb? It tells us something. It adds extra meaning to a verb, to an adjective and to itself. That means to an adverb, to another adverb. It performs the role of an adverb. Therefore, we can call it an adverb clause. Position of the adverb clause, it can be placed after the main clause or before it. Like, the ship went where the waves took it. When the rain started, we returned home. So, adverb clauses can be of the following types: of time, of place, of manner and of reason. Like adverbs, we know adverbs can be of these types. So, adverb clauses can be also of this type. So, the guests left when the rain stopped. So, it is telling about the time. So, when word is used, so it will be telling us about the time of the guest leaving. It is introduced by while, when, as, whenever, after, before or since. So we can use these words to refer to the adverb clause which can refer to time. Adverb clause of places, when the clause shows the place of action, it is called an adverb clause of place. Like, my pet dog moves around the park wherever he likes. So he is the subject and wherever is the connecting word here. So whenever he likes. Now it is introduced by where or whenever. We will know that they are adverb of place. Now adverb clause of manner. It appeared as if he was sick. So manner, in manner you will see it is introduced by as or so, if, as if, as though, in the way that or how. Adverb clause of reasons. This will tell you the reason behind the action, behind the verb. So she went to the park. Went, why or reason? Since there was no one in the house. So it will be introduced by because, since, as or that. Now pick out the adverb clauses in the following sentences. You should not talk when I am teaching in class. I joined the book club when I was in the 6th grade. So you should not talk. Children, mark this one. Okay, I hope you are done with this. Let's finish the exercise. This is on page 82. Number 1. You should not talk when I am teaching in the class. Underline this. Number 2. I joined the book club when I was in the 6th grade. Number 3. I plant trees wherever I find some suitable place. Number 4. He is not coming with us since he has not, it is the reason, adverb of reason, since he has not finished his homework. Number 5. Hit the ball hard as Mahi does. So as Mahi does. So the manner is being told here. How to hit the ball as Mahi does. Number 6. Don't handle those glasses as if they were made of iron. As if they were made of iron. Number 7. I am standing where I can see him coming. Number 8. The cricket match had started when we reached the ground. So when we reached the ground. Number 9. While I had my lunch. So this will be our phrase. While I had my lunch. Sorry, this will be our clause and not phrase. I said phrase. So I don't think 10 will fit in here. Please copy it. Please finish this up, children. Now number 10. Because he performed steadily. So yes, this is giving reason. Because he performed steadily will be our clause. Adverb clause. Okay, children. Sorry, steadily. Now we are done with exercise F. So in our next class, we don't have much. We will be finishing the exercise G and H, and then we will be moving with the simple, complex and compound sentences. Okay, and it's a wrap for today, children. We have finished the lesson. We will meet again in the next video lesson. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.